If you're not able to tell me where you're going, then you're insane. Where are you going? I don't know. What are you doing here? I don't know. Where did you come from? I don't remember. But I really want a sandwich. That sounds like you're at an insane asylum. He says, فَلِلَّهِ الْآخِرَةُ وَالْأُولَى. There's something called presentism. It's emerging in our world. And I want to tell you about that. Live in the moment. You don't have to listen to anything negative from anyone. They're all toxic. Don't listen to these narcissists. The fact that you can judge all of them as narcissists is your humility talking, apparently. Right? Don't listen to any negativity. Don't let people criticize you. Find your happiness. Love yourself. Tahwal anfus. Follow your dreams. Am lil insani ma tamanna. Na'am, lana ma natamanna. Be in the moment. Live for today. Don't worry about tomorrow. Be present. These are all the positivity things that millions of people are watching, and people are making money off of your stupidity. And yeah, I want to live in the moment. I want to be happy. This video will be the secret to your happiness. You've seen so many secret to happiness videos. Should be enough indication that it's not working. It should be enough indication. But you know all of this, you know why I put this under the ayah فَلِلَّهِ الْآخِرَةُ وَالْأُولَى? Let me tell you what this ayah means. Allah alone owns the final end and the ultimate beginning. The ultimate beginning and the ultimate end is owned exclusively by Allah. Why is this ayah right after Amlil Insani Ma Tamanna? What's the connection? What human beings wish is right now. Your wishes, your thoughts, your drunken state, your delusion is right now. It's now. And because I'm so drunk in the right now, I don't contemplate what happened in the very beginning when Allah put Adam alayhi salam on this earth. And I don't think about what's coming in the akhirah. I don't look back and I don't look ahead. All I'm thinking about is what? Right now. And Allah says, Amlil insani ma tamanna, falillahi al-akhiratu wal-ula. What is the Quran doing? It takes you far ahead and shows you Judgment Day, and it takes you far back and it shows you the previous nations and the prophets. And it shows you the beginnings of humanity. All of it to give you perspective of where you are. If you don't know where you came from and you don't know where you're headed, that means you're lost. If you weren't able to tell me where you came from, what your origin is, then you have amnesia. If you're not able to tell me where you're going, then you're insane. Where are you going? I don't know. What are you doing here? I don't know. Where did you come from? I don't remember. But I really want a sandwich. That sounds like you're at an insane asylum. This is what Allah is describing here. Someone who's drunk might be like this, right? The many have to do with being drunk also. They have no idea what they're doing in life. And this has become a common thing. What do you want to do with your life, young man? I don't know. Well, do you know anything about, your dad's life? I don't know. I don't know. Ask him. You know nothing about the past. You want to know nothing about the future. فَلِلَّهِ الْآخِرَةُ وَالْأُولَى. Allah owns that early beginning that you have forgotten. And you can forget the akhirah too, but it still belongs with Allah. Meaning where you began and where you will end belongs with Allah. You can be drunk all you want. It's like this one of my favorite ayats about this reality. إِنَّكَ كَادِحٌ إِلَى رَبِّكَ كَدْحًا فَمُلَاقِيهِ. You are marching towards your master and you will meet him. You can go do drugs. You can go drink alcohol. You can go commit adultery. You can do whatever. You can believe, not believe, pray, not pray. You're still heading towards your Rabb. And you will meet him. There is nobody who will not meet him. You will meet him. فَمُلَاقِيهِ. So he says, فَلِلَّهِ الْآخِرَةُ وَالْأُولَى. Knowing that Allah owns the akhirah, by the way, it helps the believer deal with tamanni. Because you and I also have things we wish for. We have things we want in this life, and we can't have them. There are things that are holding us back. There are dhuruf, there are circumstances that prevent my wishes from being fulfilled. And I'm a believer, I trust in Allah, I love Allah, I pray to Allah, but I'm still unfulfilled. That's a reality. And you know what? When Allah says, فَلِلَّهِ الْآخِرَةُ وَالْأُولَى, the people who respect the ula and the people who believe in the akhirah, they will get what their tamanni was. They will actually have it. They can get what they wished for and more. Allah knows what you were wishing for, and in the end, He will give you what you were wishing for. Allah knows the deprivation you experienced. He knows it. The difference between you and the non-believer is they have deprivation and they think they can fulfill it, but after fulfilling it, they still have deprivation. And then they suffer with a new deprivation because this life is actually about some level of deprivation. Remember when we were talking about Jannatul Ma'wa, was the same concept. The only garden where you actually have refuge from all this deprivation is with Allah. That's Jannatul Ma'wa. All the Jannats here, they'll still leave some tamanni in your heart. It's not going to fill you. It's not going to fill me. أم للإنسان ما تمنى فلله الآخرة والأولى